We're about a 10-year-old company. We come from very humble beginnings, so it was just myself and one other apprentice to start with, and yeah, we're go-getters. We're a family, and I feel like the love and respect that we have for each other translates into our craftsmanship. Of course I want to leave a legacy. Ultimately I just want my kids to be proud of me. I want them to grow up in a world where hard work is rewarded and honesty is respected. We've changed a lot over the last 10 years. The difference between our projects now and what they were 10 years ago is obviously the size. We've just grown in confidence so much. We're taking on projects that I never would have dreamt of, and we're doing them well and we're doing them on time.